Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a custom Animoji face. To do that you will need iOS 12 and of course you'll need an iPhone 10 or newer device that uses the FaceTime sensor bar on top. So if you have all that, you can create a custom face by going into the messaging app. It can only be created in the messaging app, but once you've created the face, they can be used in messages or in FaceTime. So to create a custom face, you're going to start a new message, go to the text message entry area, and then you're going to press the monkey face, which is for Animojis. So you're going to tap on that, and once you've tapped on that, you see I already have a couple of custom faces there already. You're going to press plus to start playing with your new face. So let me just run over some of the things really briefly. You have the category skin, hairstyle, head shape, eyes, brows, nose, ears, facial hair, eyewear, headwear, etc. So let's say I just wanted a bald face. Let me choose done, and boom, now I have bald face. Now I'm going to go back into the options and show you them in more detail, but first I want to just get on with some things. So once you've created your custom face, if you wanted to create duplicates, so let's say if you wanted multiple faces with just slight differences on each one, all you would do is press the three dots on the lower left corner here, and then you would choose the duplicate function. So duplicate, done, that's it. Now you see I have two bald faces there. Now let's say you wanted to make your changes to any specific face, you would now do that. So here I'm going to be spending more time showing you all a lot of the different options you have to fine tune a face. So let me tap on, oops. So let me, I'm on, take the face you want, three dots, edit. Now it brings you back to that original interface that you had before when creating it initially. And now here's where I'll get into take a little bit more time and show you some of the options available. You know, like as you see, I could do skin tone. I can fine tune the skin tone with the slider bar here. I can choose freckles if I want a freckled face. And under hairstyle, well, I don't. Let me turn the freckles off for now. Hairstyle, these are various long and short hairstyles. And that's a look at all these different hairstyles that are available. And of course you see a preview of the face in the corner there as you're doing all this. So those are all the hairstyles. And here are your head shapes, from a slightly rounder to slightly more narrow to more still. I know actually, yeah. No, this is the age. Sorry about that, not face shape. So this changes the age of your face. I'm going to put it in the middle. You have different chin profiles you can use. So let me just scroll down now. So not too many different options, but more than enough. These are some of the different eye options. And it basically changes the spacing of the eyes as well as the eyelid shape and everything else. Like here's, let's show you a couple. And of course you can change the your eye color and fine tune that, and you can change your eyebrows, the shape, the width, and those are all the eyebrow options, the eye options. And here are the brow options for changing your brow color, specifically your eyebrow color if you want it different than your hair color, and this changes the contours of your eyebrows more so. And these are all the different options for the eyebrows. Let me darken that up a bit. Now let me go to the nose and lips options. And over here you have different nose shapes. You can change the lip shape and the colors of your lips. So if you want to look like you have lipstick on or something, you can do that. Let me go to ears. These are some of the different ear options. And you can add earrings, and these are the different, and of course you can change the color of the earrings as well. And here, facial hair. So you can do sideburns and change the color of the beard as well. And these are all the different beard options. You have quite a few different styles, like modern, old styles, Victorian. So quite the selection. Now you have eyewear. So you can change the color of the frames and the lenses. So if you want something that looked like sunglasses, and I can change a level of tint there, or do that. And these are the different lens options. Headwear. And of course I can change the color of the headwear. And these are all the different styles of headwear you have. So I'll just show you a couple of examples. And that's about it. And once you're done, you just hit done. And now that face has been edited. And here's that bald face. Now let me just delete that bald face. Delete. Done. So there you have it. And then you would just use it as you would any other emoji. And of course you can use your custom emojis for the Memojis as well. So anyway, I hope this video was helpful. Please hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more from me, and share if you think that other people might enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.